Hello guys, listen. UK first teacher shop that you must think is a city shop that you must think is a good work. You can try this some food reviews for this new nuggets with curries, strawberries, pears here. Yeah, this is juice. Triples orange juice and orange materials making with by my factory, big factories here. Yeah, you can try this shoes additional. Two pairs, three seeds. This is a pink one and the green one. Yeah, and the red one on the shoes here. Yeah, and the three pairs, three seeds you can change way to purple. Yeah, and the shoes is like the strawberries here, and the upper part is pink color is leather some material, and air hose is we're cleaning for the beside the side and the front the double station. Yeah, the leather parts here, and the other side got this sweet material. This is a light green color, is ankle is deep green color is sweet. Yeah, and then this is stitchings, strawberries like the little man. Yeah, here. Yeah, and then the other side Nike shoes, and then this is a little dots like the strawberries break dots here. Yeah, and the shoe top parts Nike SB was. Yeah, and shoes is likely a high dark. Yeah, this thing the other side have these strawberries, some main stitchings here, and the Charlie other side transparent. So yeah, the front part side and the other side cheek, the heel part cheek. Yeah, and the other side here. Yeah, this is some food reviews, and you can check more details on my website here, and more things coming here. Hope you like this news, and on food review updated soon.